Welcome back to our channel, Learn with Safaa. Today, we have an exciting lesson ahead. We'll be focusing on senses from the lesson
جسمي الصغير.
My Little Body. Are you ready to expand your vocabulary? Let's get started. Our first word is
حواس.
which means senses in Arabic. Repeat after me.
حواس.
Excellent. There are 5 senses. They are sight, hearing, taste, touch, and smell. In our previous lesson, we learned some Arabic words related to our body parts. Do you remember the Arabic word for ear? The answer is
أذن.
well done. Now, let's explore the sense of hearing. The Arabic word for hearing is,
سمع.
repeat after me.
سمع.
Fantastic. Now, let's move on to another sense. The Arabic word for sight is,
نظر.
repeat after me.
نظر.
Wonderful. Can you recall the Arabic word for nose? And the answer is
أنف.
nose. Well done. Our next word is,
شم.
which means smell in Arabic. Repeat after me.
شم.
Well done. Now, let's move on to the next word. Do you remember the Arabic word for hand? The answer is
يد.
hand. Well done. Now, let's learn the sense of touch in Arabic.
لمس.
Let's repeat.
لمس.
The next word is,
لسان.
which means tongue. Repeat after me.
لسان.
Excellent. Now, let's learn the Arabic word for the sense of taste.
تذوق.
Taste. Repeat after me.
تذوق.
Amazing. When we eat or drink something, we use our sense of taste to enjoy different flavors. Can you name your favorite food? Don't forget to practice these words and use them in your daily conversations. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Learn with Safaa, for more exciting lessons. Until next time,
مع السلامة.